This, guys, this is the unboxing. You never knew you wanted. SmallRig sent me this package, or I bought it, so they sent it to me because I paid. And the weird thing is that it all came like this. Already opened. Now this is the part where I tell you that I didn't start the recording of audio, so I thought at least I could do the recording of me assembling this all onto my Sony a7siii. So I got this cage, which is gonna be nice. There probably should be a drawing for this. Well, what you see is this goes in here, and I don't even know what to do. I guess I have to remove this at least. Okay, let's move to the part where this is already done. Okay, so you even have to remove this, I guess. That. Okay, now. Goes like that. Do I have a screw for this part? Because I kind of need that. Yep. I have a screw here. It goes into this part. And then the worst thing about this is that I'm afraid of losing these parts. So let's just lay them on all the clutter on the desk. Okay. There's a screw here. Okay. And then take this tool. Screw it all in there. A little bit, not too tight. And then place this screw like this. That was almost too difficult, picking up that tool.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says
That feels nice.
that, because you don't know who you're gonna meet.
Nice and easy. So now I have a cage for my Sony a7siii. This is kind of flush with the camera, so it's more like an extension, but I don't like this. Kind of have to bend my finger to reach the record button. You can remove the batteries while the cage is on, which is kind of a must. I would hate to have to unscrew the whole cage just to remove the battery. And this tool magnetically sits on there. That's just great. It's got a lot of screws on here, screws over here, and here, and here. The stupid thing is that no. Okay, let's start with this handle. It goes on to here. What do I want? I want it here. So, just okay. I don't even know if... Oh, it has to go here. Oh, you can do it. Can I do it like this? Yes. No. Yes. Nope. Can't. I tried. I don't know if I can. Nope. Too tight. So it has to go here. But that's not a problem because and then to really tighten these, you have holes here. You can slip this thing in and just tighten them a little bit. And I feel this is a little bit too low for me, so I'll just fix these. I want it flush with the rest of the camera, so right about here.
But there's something inside of you that says all of that because you don't know who you're gonna be.
This already feels pretty nice, but I want this. I also think I'll just... that's too bad. Well, I don't even know if I'm able to... it should be good. I just need some screws. Nope. Because now I can reach that one. That's tight. But as I feared, doesn't seem like I'm able to take this tool out, and well, that's kind of stupid, but I always bring tools to remove screws like this, but it's worse for this one. So this is kind of stupid, but I've got a tool here. If I could ever get it out. So it's not a huge problem. I would just call it a bad design. Well, why isn't there a dip here or anything like that? Well, next up, I want to attach this one. This is cool. Even this one has my name on it. Does this have one? No. One, two, three, 4. Okay, on to the next one. This one goes on here. It's just 2 screws like this, and like that. And the thing is, you can angle it. I think it feels nice like this. Oh, that feels nice. And then, well, I didn't tighten the screws enough. It was worse getting it off. I don't know. Okay, so in. Didn't even tighten these enough. Okay, that's nice. Then there's USB-C cable. I could just look at this one. No, yes. USB-C. And this one goes over here to here. Now if I power it on, I'll have to figure out the cable management at another time. Plus. Oh, that's nice. Started recording. Stop recording. Yeah. This one goes on here. What the? And then it's just twist it, like swivel, and what do you call this? My English is failing me. Tilt and swivel. But I need a screen first, and that's another video. Now, this is my new setup for the Sony a7S III. Thank you for watching.